Hello everybody, ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? So today live show is about some beautiful tissue sarees which has been a huge hit in our Shravanam live show. So we'll be going through the detailings of the sneak peek of the beautiful colors we have. Yes, we have all the beautiful colors which people have loved so much: black, pink, orange, yellow. So yeah, we'll jump into the collections. The first one is with the goldish orange color with the beautiful butterfly designs. So the video detailings would be, yes, the beautiful butterflies all over the saree with the golden yellow color border on both the sides. So yeah, if we open the saree, yeah, so we have the beautiful butterflies all over with the mashy design all over the saree, and the colorful butterflies all over the body of the saree. So yeah, this is how the saree looks. So back side, if you flip, it is the pallu comes with the big butterflies. It is basically the family of butterflies. Yes, in the pallu you'll have the big butterflies and with some random design, and this is the pallu part, and this is the border. So you can see the border. Yeah, the tissue and the shine will be the same as you see in the video. So this is the blouse part. For every saree you'll get the blouse, plain blouse with the contrast border of the saree that you have at the both ends. So yeah, this is the final look of the saree. So how the body of the saree looks. So we'll quickly jump next into the next one is the blue color border with the blue color contrast imaged shine on the body of the saree. So it is a total blue and blue tissue saree with the flowers and the stems design. So in the last live show, people have asked a lot for the blue saree. Maybe if you are seeing this, you can immediately book, and I have limited number of pieces in each color. So yeah, this is the body of the saree. So it is completely blue and blue tissue. You'll have that silver mix blue color shine on the body with the borders in the blue color. So the floral part comes in the contrast red color. So yeah, you can have a close look. So if you flip the saree, so you can see the pallu. So that is the pallu. The rightmost end is the pallu. Yeah, he's showing the pallu. That is the pallu part. And the blouse, again, it comes again the same as the plain blouse. I'll show you the blouse also. So this is the border. You can have a look at the border. So the pallu comes again the blouse comes again the plain tissue blouse with the blue color border to the hands. So you'll have a final look of the saree, the body of the saree, how it looks. Yes, this is the body of the saree, how it looks with the floral blue color design. So the next one is a very beautiful purple violet color. So yeah, this is basically, it comes with the violet border with the silver shine on the body with the beautiful cute butterflies flying all over your saree. So the two sides border, it comes in the dark violet color, and so it looks so elegant and beautiful. So I personally liked it, the violet color one with the colorful butterflies all over the body of the saree. I'll take you to the close detailings, you can check. Yeah, the silver shine on the body, it comes in the contrast with the border. You have the violet border, so the silver shine will have the shade of the violet. So the big butterflies again in the pallu. Yeah, the big butterflies in the pallu, the border is the violet color. These are all cotton tissue sarees. The body will be the tissue sarees with the beautiful shine, and this is the blouse. Blouse again comes with both the sides border with the plain tissue, and the border is in the violet color. Yeah, you can have a final look of the saree. Yeah, flip. So yes, this is the final look of the saree. Next one. So the next one is this is more colors. Border has got more colors, multicolor border saree with the floral print. You have the yellow and the red in the dual border colors you have in the saree. This is a new design. So yeah, red and yellow with the floral print all over. So this is the floral print saree. We can open the saree. When you open the saree, you'll have that dual borders, yellow and red, and the tissue, if you see, it is in the pink color, pink silver coated tissue with the floral print all over. Yeah, sorry, with the floral print all over the saree, and yeah, it is very beautiful. And this is the pallu part also has the flowers. So what he's showing with the hand, that is the pallu part with the beautiful big bud flowers. And yeah, the blouse again comes with the plain tissue with again the double border on both the sides. Yeah, this is the blouse part. So it is a double color double border saree, two color saree with the floral print. Yes, next one is again a blue color saree with the blue color tissue saree with the musical instruments print on the saree. So this doesn't have much of hangama or more of design, more of stems and all. It's a simple saree. If you like a simple design saree, you can go with this. Yeah, you can see the body of the saree has this musical instruments with the printed in the pink color. So all over the body you'll have the this instruments booties printed all over the saree with the pink color. So it is basically a silver tissue saree with the blue border and with the pink booties. Yes, it's a nice combination. Yeah, you can have a close look. So you'll find so many musical instruments. If you flip the saree, we can see the pallu is again a beautiful peacock, which is, it's a open feathered peacock you'll have all over with the in the pallu with the big peacock, and the border is the blue. And yeah, blouse, yeah, blouse is again the same thing, the plain blouse with the blue border and the silver tissue. So it's a this is another option in the blue silver tissue saree. We can have a final look of the saree. Yeah, this is the final look. So the next one is a green color combination tissue saree. This is a new color which we haven't seen in the previous live show. This is a green and green tissue saree with the beautiful again the butterfly design. We have more of butterfly design this time. Yeah, and forgot to mention, you whoever want to book, you can take a screenshot of the product and you can message me immediately, as we have very limited stock. Yes, you can open the saree. So it is basically a green border. This green is also a different shade of green. What green we call it? It's a shade of dark green, you can say, with the colorful butterflies, and the silver tissue have a silver with the green shade for the body. Yeah, we can see the pallu again have the beautiful big butterflies in the pallu. Yeah, big, that is a pallu. Yeah, beautiful big butterflies in the pallu. Whoever wants to book some of the designs, I have only single pieces, please immediately be quick and take the screenshots, and you can message me immediately. And the price is again 1550 only. Sorry, I forgot to mention. And yeah, I don't want to skip. This is the blouse is again the plain with the border, and you can have a final look of the saree. Yes, that's the final look of the saree. Green butterfly tissue. Okay, the next one is the peacock and the floral with the bright orange color border. Yes, I'll mention again, forgot, I skipped it off. So the price of all these sarees is 1550 rupees, as the same, but this time it shipping will be there. So it is 1550 plus shipping. Yes, this is the floral beautiful peacock design tissue saree with the orange color border, bright and beautiful orange color border you will get on both the sides. People have been asking for the floral sarees. I have less of floral sarees, and this beautiful butterfly design is also equally very beautiful. So I have picked so many of the butterfly design this time. So yeah, you can have a, yes, we can see the pallu is with the peacock motifs. And yeah, that is the pallu part. I think it's difficult to explain, it's a pattern. Yeah, that is the pallu part. So border, you can see, I'm able to touch and feel and show you. So that is the border. Again, the blouse is again the plain tissue with the orange color border on both the sides. Yeah, final look please. Yeah, yes, that's the final look of the dress. You can take a screenshot please if you want, anybody. Okay, the next one is the pink butterflies, cute pink butterflies. People have been so many people asked me for a pink saree last time, many of the people. So people who are watching now I am got one in the Pink I have got some good number of options. You can see this is again the pink butterfly, again the same thing. Pink color border, pink color tissue, and beautiful colorful butterflies all over the saree. So in butterfly design you have pretty good options and colors. You have green, you have blue, you have pink, I think orange, I'm not sure. Yeah, you have pretty number of good options. So yeah, that is the pallu. Big butterflies is the pallu, and the small butterflies all over is the saree. You know, butterfly design saree, it looks very cute, right, when you drape it on you. I feel so. Butterflies itself are very cute and beautiful. So yeah, that is the blouse part. Blouse is plain blouse, plain tissue blouse with both sides of the border. All the sarees are for 1550 rupees and shipping applies. So the next one please. Next one is again a butterfly one in the blue color. In the blue color you have got the butterfly one. Now please open and show. Yes, that is a beautiful butterfly one. Some of the butterflies doesn't have that messy design in between connecting the butterflies, and some has. So this is the one with the print that connects the butterflies, all the colorful butterflies all over your saree. Quickly you can open and show. Yes, it is again the same pattern, and I think I need not explain, we'll talk something else. Yes, all these sarees are, yes, lightweight, but they are not very soft. You know how the tissue feels. So it is a tissue saree, and further don't complain it is heavy to, it's not heavy to carry, it is lightweight, but it has the texture of tissue. You know how it feels, a tissue saree. Yeah, tissue sarees are meant to wear, it shows a very grand look to you. Yeah, I don't want to deviate. Yeah, it has grand look, but some people doesn't feel very soothing to wear tissue sarees. Yes, that is the blouse. And for final look, yes, please, final look of the saree. Yes, final look, beautiful blue color butterfly tissue saree. Okay, next one is, this time we have small cute butterflies. I think I have only one piece in this. This is a very subtle color. We have seen butterflies in multicolors, and this is the one in the self design. So the background tissue is the cream color with the small and cute, very small butterflies all over the saree. So yeah, it is like a mono color inside, and with the contrast lemon yellow color border on both the sides. The butterflies are in the green color. Yes, you can open, please. Yeah, it shows a very good shine, right? It is because it is of the mono color. Yeah, you can see the pallu. That is the pallu part. Pallu has got a frame at the edge. Yeah, that is the pallu part with some design. What is it? It is a random design. So that is the, yeah, that is the border. Yes, that is the border. We have seen the pallu, and yes, can you see the blouse? Where is the blouse? Yeah, blouse is again the plain blouse, plain tissue with the border on both the sides. Yes, we'll see the final look of the saree. Final look of the saree. Yeah, I know, it is a beautiful, it is shining. He is so concerned about it. Yeah, that is the final look of the saree. It's not too much hangama color. So yeah, the next one is again this is dark navy blue with the magenta pink roses kind of booties all over. So yeah, if we go into the detailings here, that is the color of the saree, dark navy blue border with the silver tissue combination and small flower buds. I think those are the beautiful roses or lilies. Yeah, I like this design also because it has got some good spacing and it looks very beautiful to see. Yeah, these are the beautiful flowers, small flowers and a bunch of flowers booties all over. Yeah, I think it is rose. Yeah, rose. So yeah, that is the pallu. You have a big rose and a big flowers. Yes, It's very beautiful, right? Magenta, dark magenta, pink flowers, big garden of flowers you'll have in the pallu. So people who like floral, this is the option. Who likes cute butterflies, we have butterfly option. You have peacocks, you have all the designs. So again, it is a plain blouse with the border, plain tissue blouse with the border. Final look of the saree, please. Yeah, that is the final look of the saree with beautiful booties, flowers. Next is the evergreen beautiful and hit combination, which is silver and black, ash and black color. Yeah, you can see ash and black color again with the so many colorful butterflies all over. Yeah, you have the black color border on both the sides and the colorful butterflies all over the body. Open, please. Yeah, that is how it looks. You can have a closer detailings. Yes, all the sarees are for rupees 1550 and shipping will be an extra charge for these. And I have mostly single pieces below, so please quickly you can take a screenshot when you're seeing the videos. Let's not lose that energy. You can take a screenshot immediately and you can message me. Please don't curse me again. It is first come first serve. So yes, this time I have tried to get good number of quantity, because last time I have got only single pieces and people cursed me so much, Yes, so this is the blouse part. And yeah, final look of the saree. I'm little bored to explain this butterfly saree since all are butterflies. Yeah, this is the final look of the saree, how it looks. Black and ash color with the butterflies. So the next one is this is a new design. Definitely I'll give the detailings. So this is a beautiful maroon color, dark red maroon color border with a big peacock on the saree. Yes, big peacock design on the saree. This is a new one. People who likes maybe the peacock design, all over the saree you'll have the design with a big peacock painted on the saree. Yeah, so you can see 1 2 3, so many peacocks are there. Yeah, peacocks on the florals all over the saree. So you can have a close look. So I like the color combination, which is dark maroon color body. So again another big peacock, nice and beautiful peacock with some good color contrast work done on the pallu. So that is a maroon color border. So contrast tissue you'll get in the maroon with the silver combo tissue. So that is the blouse part. And final look of the saree, please. Yeah, that's the final look of the saree. Next one is we have a new design in the orange. This is a bright orange color border. I don't know what we call this design. I somehow feel it is a paramecium or some rangoli design which you put. You can call it as a rangoli square you will put for rangoli, right? So those are the square designs. Yeah, you can see. So those this design is somehow I felt the design is good. So those square rangoli type of buttas you'll have all over the saree. You can have a close look for the detailings. Yeah, so this is basically a orange tissue saree, bright orange color border with the orange silver tissue. So that is the blouse with some contrast colors which is in that square booties. So the same colors which for the pallu you have got. Yeah, those who want to book, please kindly take a screenshot and message me immediately, because some of the pieces I have only single pieces. So yeah, blouse please. Blouse is again a plain silver tissue blouse with the orange color border on both the sides. Yes, so yeah, this is the end. This is the last one. So kindly who have seen, please take a screenshot of any of the product which you would like to buy and kindly message me immediately, so I can take your bookings. Thank you. Signing off, Malika. Thanks.